As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and it's been a while. I'm just gonna start with that. It's been a while. I know a lot of you have been waiting for a new car video, and I want to apologize and explain myself. So, as a lot of you know, I've just moved into a new apartment here at college, and I haven't really had a lot of time with school and a lot of other things yet to really make a video. But I did remember I had this video sitting on the shelf, so I thought I would put it together and show it off. So as you see here, we have a 1975 or a 76 Chevy Caprice, and it's made by Matchbox, and it was brand new out of a box. And what my plan is to do today, guys, is I'm just going to do a very simple wheel swap and detail build. So it's a pretty normal amount video. I like to show everything, as you guys know. So I hope you enjoy, and let's just jump into this. It's going to be a fun one. The very first thing that we're going to do for this casting is we're going to drill it out. So what I did here is I started out with the tapping process, as a lot of you've seen and a lot of you have done, obviously. So the way I like to do it is I take the smallest drill bit possible that I can find, and I just drill down to a certain point. Normally I put my drill bit in the chuck to the certain point that I wanted to dig, so it won't dig too far and it won't dig in your hand. Once you do that, you're going to pull out your, or in this case I am struggling to find a bigger drill bit, and work on that. But before I do that, obviously I am tapping this out. So I was just pretty much what I did was I grabbed my hand drill and my tap, and I wanted to see if the hole was deep enough so I can so the tap can, you know, grip. And guys, I would like to apologize if I seem like I'm off my game. That is because I haven't done a voiceover in a little while, so bear with me here, bear with me. I might sound a little a bit out of place, let's say that, out of place than normal. So as you see here, it looks like I did get that drilled out properly, and it looks like we are ready for screws. I believe this car, and guys, this is a car that I did over a month. I can't believe it took over a month to do this car, but it did. I believe I did get screws into this one. I don't think I screwed it up, because on some more recent projects that I was working on, I did screw up the screws, and I used too big of a little drill bit. I can't believe I just said that, but yeah, I kind of messed it up, and I drilled it out too big, so the tap didn't fit, and then obviously the screws didn't fit. So when we are moving on now to putting it in, so as we see here, I think they're gonna grip. Yes, they are, and they grip fantastic. I can't believe that just practice makes perfect. If there's anything that you should follow when it comes to either doing model cars, homework, or, to be honest, anything in life, practice makes perfect. And I've been told that my whole life, and believe it or not, it works. And I've only drilled and tapped a couple cars, and I think I've done a pretty good job. So after we take it all apart, we are going to move on to this base, and these wheels are just not going to cut it. So I'm just going to pop them off. They were very simple just because it was a plastic casting, so they just popped right off. And my first ideal plan was to put these wheels on it, because I was like, ooh, these are kind of like original, but I honestly saw this car on Facebook Marketplace, and I was like, nope, I'm going to stop what I'm doing, and I'm going to order this car. And I did. There was a car with wheels that I wanted, and I ordered it up, and I got the wheels, and you'll see that in a little bit. After that, we do put the car into the super clean to strip all of that chrome off, because I was just like, I'm going to redo it anyway. And here's a quick clip of the process. You really don't see it, but if you look really closely, you could see the bubbling on the chrome, and I just thought this was something a little different and kind of cool to watch. And if you do like this, let me know, and next time I work with super clean, I will make sure I add this clip. So guys, sit here and watch. I'll watch with you. Bubble, 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 bubble. That's getting annoying. So I'm gonna stop that. Okay, let's go move on. So now, like I told you guys, I got the new wheels, and honestly, the reason this build took so long is because of these wheels. And if you look at it, this car already looks 10 times better. Not boring, not old manish. It looks cool. So once we put that to the side, we get our axles in, and we chromed our chrome that we wanted chrome. So like the front bumpers and the rear bumper. And now I'm just gonna do some detail. So I grabbed my yellow testers, and I'm gonna do one of the headlights in yellow and then the other one in white. I don't know what it is, but I like that. I would say it's like a 70s slash like 80s look, where the one headlight was like yellowed, like your fog light was yellowed, and then the other headlight was like white and clear. I don't know what my obsession with that is, but it's kind of like, I wouldn't say my style or my thing, but I would say it's something I like doing because it kind of just gives a different like vibe with my cars. So you guys have seen me do this before. I've done this with like the Impala. I did this with anything lowrider type or lowrider style. I normally take the time to do this, as you've noticed. And honestly, that doesn't look good right now, but I do off camera fix it.
Meanwhile, back in the fish tank.
So after that is all dry, we do finally finalize like the axles and the wheels. So all I did was, it was a very simple process. I just put a tiny dab of Gorilla Glue on the axle, and that's all I needed. I just needed a slight dab, and all the wheels stick. After those rear wheels get on, we do put the front ones on, obviously. And after this process is done and the wheels are dry, we're going to move on right to where we started. Like I said, guys, this is a very quick video, and we didn't do much. I honestly just wanted to do this video because I just thought, like I've said, this car just needed a couple small details and some new wheels. And that's what we did today. So this is what we started with, guys. If you remember, it was a original, out-of-box, 1975 or 6 Chevy Caprice, made by Matchbox. And today, we didn't do anything with the paint. We didn't do anything with the interior or the glass. All we did was we focused our attention on the base and details. Plus, we added a new set of wheels. So, after looking at this picture for a little bit, let's go see what we finished with. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. This is our final results. As you see here, we re-chromed the back. We also did that with the front. A Cuda's license plate was put on there, but I forgot to do it when I was recording this footage. As we come around, you see the new wheels looking awesome. We could have lowered it, but I honestly like the stance that it already is. The front bumper and the front headlights are looking on point, and overall, the car looks awesome this way. Didn't need paint, and it didn't need any other work but what we did today. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to like, share, and comment. Alright guys, we'll see you soon. Bye.